Hey, what's going on, guys? Gemini here, filming another video, this time on my way to pick up a one-piece race suit to supplement or complement my two-piece suit. So right now I have an Alpinestars two-piece Missile leather suit. The link's in the description to all of my equipment and gear. If you want to check any of that out, just check the description. Links have always been there in all my videos. But I'm going to get a one-piece suit finally. I'm going to do a video explaining kind of the differences between a two-piece and a one-piece once I wear the one-piece a little bit more. But sometimes I kind of wish that I had bought a one-piece suit instead of the two-piece suit in the beginning. But like I said, that's kind of for another video. So anyway, I'm on my way to Yamaha Motorsports in Long Beach, and I'm going to check it out. And hopefully it fits. This is actually the third trip, but second trip since ordering the first suit. So I went in there, looked at a suit that they had, tried it on, and I ordered a suit size kind of based on the way that suit fit, which it was an Alpinestars suit, but it was a different suit than the one I ordered. They don't really carry them. Apparently they just don't sell very well. So they don't have like a huge stock. Like that was the only suit that they had, the one that I tried on, and it was on clearance. So you pretty much have to order a suit. That's like your only option. And I've never worn a one piece, so I wasn't sure how it was gonna fit. The one that I tried on, I thought it fit pretty good. So I was like, all right, I'll go with this size. Should be fine. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw my stories that I posted, because the one that I got was just, it was so big. Like the top felt okay, but the leg portion and like around the waist and everything just felt so baggy. I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna get one size smaller and try that out. And I'm hoping, like really hoping, that this size will fit. I mean, because the thing is, if I go a size even smaller than the one that I'm about to try on, it could be an issue because of the top might be too tight. Because the suit that I tried on, the top felt perfect, like the arms and the shoulders and the chest, because I have an airbag vest inside also, and that airbag vest takes up space. And just to give you an idea, the two-piece suit that I'm wearing, the top is actually 3 sizes bigger than the bottoms. They still link together with the zipper, but the pants fit perfectly and the top fits perfectly with my two-piece suit, which again, it's going to be for another video because that's one of the advantages of a two-piece suit. You can get custom tailored one-piece suits, but I don't really have the money for them. They're 2 or 3 times the price, and this is already a very expensive suit that I'm getting. So anyway, I'm gonna head there. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'll update you guys, you know, when I'm pretty much there. Just gonna be cruising on the 405 in the meantime. And as you can see, guys, we made it to Yamaha Motorsports in Long Beach, parked right next to this nice first gen S1K. Got that Project X SC exhaust. That thing's probably nasty. So I'm gonna go in. I don't think they're gonna let me film inside. They make you take off your helmet and all that, and hopefully come out with a good fitting race suit. So we'll see you after. All right, guys, just got done at Yamaha Motorsports, and the suit fits, as you can see. Beautiful blue, white, and black Tech Air suit. I'm super stoked, man. I love this thing already. Looks awesome. Just gonna stop and get some gas, then head to Motorsport Exotica and drop the bike off to get some work done. So super stoked. Awesome result. The suit fits like a dream now. I mean, it's a little bit tight up top and it's a little bit loose down low, but nothing crazy. I can't go tighter up top, so this is just gonna have to be at how it goes. With the Tech Air vest inside of it, I can't really get a perfect form-fitting suit, so this will be the best I can do until I can have it either tailored or get a custom suit made. But I like it. It's comfortable. It's definitely comfortable. That's the main thing. Like I said, a little bit tight up top, but not to where I can't breathe. Especially in the riding position, it feels much better. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for now. I'll check back in with you guys at Motorsport Exotica. So guys, I just realized I don't have an extra battery with me. So the camera might not make it all the way to Motorsport Exotica, but I am going there. I'm going to be getting some mods done to the R1. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to be picking up the bike tomorrow probably, so I won't be able to film again in the same span of time. I don't know if it's going to be one video or two, but I'll be going over the mods. It pretty much will be the final form for my bike. Meaning, I don't know that I'll be doing any other mods. Maybe one last carbon fiber touch. Don't know for sure yet. But you guys will get to see. Always check my Instagram, because every time that I update the bike, I put photos up. Follow me if you don't follow me on Instagram. And subscribe here if you don't actually subscribe to me already and you're just into motorcycles, into motovlogging. It's what I do. I love it. I love just being a part of this community. So drop a like on the video. And let me know what your favorite mods are on motorcycles. I'm just curious, because if there's a mod that I don't have that I think would be a good idea, I mean, I'm totally up for good ideas, you know. So with that being said, I'm just gonna try and head safely all the way up to Motorsport Exotica in Hollywood from Long Beach. All right, so fast forward, it's the next day. Just picked up Jekyll and Hyde. Got these new carbon fiber tank fairing sliders. New tank pad in the middle and some clear grips on the side. I really like it. I'm gonna go take some photos right now actually in Los Angeles, so check out my Instagram if you want to see that. It pretty much came out perfectly, and I did the bar ends as well. As you can see, have the little blue accents on them. Super stoked, man. The bike's coming together. I mean, pretty much this is gonna be it for now. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go take some photos, try and have a good rest of my weekend, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.